Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing an inside door courtesy light on a 2008 Subaru Outback. We're going to take a screwdriver right under here, a little area, pushing under the clips. Just pry out. See, there's 4 clips. You want to get them from the bottom. And when you're replacing the bulb, if your bulb was burnt out, you grab something, stick it behind it, just pull it out straight like that. And when reinstalling, I'm going to push the bulb like this. Remember, it's going to get hot once it is on, so I do it quickly. Push this in. I'll put the cover back on. Put the cover on, put the bottom parts in first, and then snap it in up top.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.